We've all heard the news. Henry Cavill will no longer be Superman. This black Superman t-shirt is intentional. Personally, I'm gutted. I enjoyed Man of Steel, a film which had a lot of problems, but some great Superman moments too. Particularly the first time you see Henry in costume. I mean, I felt a chill down my spine. It was as if Superman had stepped out of the panel of a comic and onto the screen. I thought Henry did a great job with the material he was given. So I'm going to express a wee lament for this great lost opportunity, and I won't do a long rambling dissertation. Many YouTubers of greater articulation than I have done a better job of explaining the permutations of what this means, but I thought I'd share this little song with you. It goes something like this. Bye, last Kryptonian guy. We wanted Henry Cavill, now it's some other guy. Good old James, now you're just the bad guy, singing this'll be the day DC dies. Up and away.